Good morning. It is nearly 7:45 and the second day of trip. And yesterday we drove 442 kilometers, and I think today we're not gonna drive. We're gonna make around the city. So let's see where we can go. For now, gonna go for breakfast. So if you are hungry, let's go for breakfast. We are here for breakfast, and breakfast place is just get hot here. Searching for boiled egg, they have only tea boiled egg. I want the plain boiled egg in this. We already went 2 breakfasts, and now we can go for third one. Finally enjoyed boiled egg, and now waiting for wonton soup. We are heading to Imperial Palace Square. This is same like Beijing, this is square. So let's see how it's here. Now I'm in Imperial Square, and this is what is going on here. So we are thinking we can go inside or not. Huge crowd, big lines. We are not sure we're gonna go inside or not. This is what is going on. I'm gonna show you. Look at the line this side, so we need to cross this line to go to the front, and we need to wait, I think, 1 hour. So I'm just gonna visit where I can visit. That's it. And if you come to visit China, I mean like this popular place during peak holiday, like now is summer holiday, all the parents, they will take their kids and come to this type of place. So gonna be very crazy. Before a couple of years ago, I had trip with my parents in many places around China. Even the train ticket you cannot buy easily. You need to wait for a few days. It's like that. So if you really want to visit China, you can visit a little bit early summer and a little bit late summer. That's gonna be okay, because that time all the kids, they're gonna go to school, so you will not suffer a lot. That's the best time to visit China. Look at this line. This side is much more crowded than the other side. Imperial Palace, they built in Qing dynasty, and they took around 110 years to build this area. So this is similar like Beijing, Forbidden City. That's why many people from especially northeast China, they will come to visit here, because it's near to northeastern cities. So my friends with this girl, my daughter, they already visit inside. Hardly they come out in 15 minutes, means I don't know what they watch. And now we're gonna move from here and gonna go somewhere else. We don't know, we're gonna decide on the way. Inside this place you can watch comedy show. This is one comedian who is long time famous in China. He is from this region, I mean this same province. So here they have the show as well. So people there, they are waiting for the line to watch the comedy show. So now I'm in Shenyang's famous street with this ice cream, and this ice cream look like fake ice cream. Even buy sauces for the kids, they are like. We are not really happy with this place because nothing new. Even they complain it's worse than Jilin, so worse than Jilin and expensive than Jilin, and nothing here. I mean, so we want to move, go to the car, and then look, they weren't here. I think they're going to check fake note. Let's check what they want to check there. Yes.
One night.
Look at this street, full of people trying for these hot things. Coffee shop in Shenyang, very busy. Inside full of people there. So this place is famous because it is very long, you know. You continue that side as well and this side as well. So this street is busy in Shenyang, as they told. By the way, we're gonna quit our street tour because nothing much, you know. We're not gonna shop, you know. We come here to see the new things. It's similar like our place. So gonna go to the car now. And maybe on the way we're gonna eat, you know, in some restaurant. We are here for the food, and this place is like crazy. Look. We don't know when we're gonna find the table and eat. This line, all they have the electric motorbikes, tricycles, whatever you want. They have. All right, gonna move from here and gonna go to the another place. You know. Khale, come quick. This is how is the road in Shenyang. And this tunnel is very long, you know, around 2.5 kilometers. And this is overpass tunnel here. Even overpass you have tunnel in Shenyang. You can see. I don't know what is the reason they made, but they have. Nearly finishing. We are heading to amusement park now.
Amusement.
So let's see how is amusement park in Shenyang. It's the famous one. Let's see how is it. We're gonna go to that water park. Is a big area. This all the cars here is for this water park. Sorry, it's amusement park, and they have you know, you have to go through the water web as well, some games. So I cannot take this GoPro because it's in media mode, and I forget to bring this this original you know, cover for the battery. So now I'm gonna leave this GoPro here. So if I can take from this one few things, I'm gonna, you know, capture it.
接拉一些胃传本地患者、反食疗者、醉酒者、精神异常者孕妇等特殊。
We are here following the kids and playing stupid things and waiting more than half hour on the line. They will open and then we go.
因接触的游客，请在申请居住安排项目中
Wait, they will open and then we can.
不要离右5米，向出口方向靠拢，等待大家的
Wait.
随后工作门即将开启。
跟阿婆打招呼。
Oh my god. This is what is going on here. Look at that. Careful, here. Look at the camera. It's okay. No, don't. Afraid?
是别搞了，累死了！我天哪！差点会掉下去。对。
So finally finish our trip. And this got scared a little bit. So is the end there. It's dark, you know. It's video anyway. We are in the forest now, like this.
Thank you.
Look at people here. This is what we are doing here now. So far this is the place, you know. For this game we wait more than 2.5 hours because they have show outside, so they cannot in the open, so we miss all the show outside, like show, fireworks, everything. So now we just finished going back to home, and this is the place. Actually, it was a nice place, but you cannot watch everything at once. Coming. Look at this world. Alright, this is the end of today's vlog from this Fanta Wild amusement park, and we gonna go home, gonna have meal and then go to bed. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Until tomorrow, have a good time. Cheers.